Yeah, that's the part when I just tell you what's going on, man. I guess this is part 2, man. Or should we just double this CD right here? You already know the tradition and everything behind our music and what's going on with us and how to reach out to everybody that fuck with us, and it's not gonna stop. Man, get with us, man. I ain't wanna say nobody names, man. We just that low right now. But this the part of the movie when you go get your popcorn and you listen to all the trials and tribulations of how everybody got put on and got signed, and all the tears and all the pain, all the agony, and yeah. Let the song cry.